press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, how are you? I think you are safe staying at home, correct children? Okay, today in yesterday's class we learned what is perimeter and what is area. We did some examples for what is perimeter and area, how to find the perimeter and area according to the constants, that means conditions given in the expression, correct? And we entered into the exercise problem also. I forgot to tell you people one thing. What is the difference between perimeter and area means when in real life if you want to tell when we have to find the area, when we have to find the perimeter means when you want to take the fencing of a certain park, that means fencing, boundary for the certain park. When we want to take the fencing for the certain park, how much of fencing we have to do for the park? Like that situations we have to find perimeter. Fencing, ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಗೆ fencing ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Just for fencing with wires we are going to do the fencing, correct? In which situations? To fencing means just for boundary only we have to do the fencing. In these situations we have to find perimeter. In these situations we have to find perimeter. At the same cost, when we want to if you want to grow the grass, nowadays grass slabs are coming, correct? Grass mats are coming. If you want to arrange the grass mats total to this park or to this garden, okay, how much of quantity of grass, square meters of grass we have to required? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? Grass andre only we are not going to place it in the boundary, correct? Total garden or park we have to occupy, correct? In these situations we are finding the area. We have to find, in these situations we have to find the area of the certain park, and then we have to multiply it with, for 1 square meter, for 1 square meter distance, something 10,000 rupees they are going to cost. Here they are 50 square centimeters are there, 10,000 into 50,000, 50 like that, 50,000. So to arrange the grass beds in these park, how much of park or garden, how much of money required is 50,000. Like that just we have to find when they ask us to find the perimeter. By seeing the question only you have to analyze what we are going to be find, what we have to find, what perimeter they are asking us to find, area they are asking us to find. Just by glancing that question you have to understand. Just I am giving another example for you people. Suppose one cow is there. I think you all know cow. One cow is there and one rope, one pole is there, okay, one pole is there and one cow is there, okay. This is in one garden, okay. ಈ pole ಮತ್ತೆ cow ಒಂದು garden ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವೆ, and then the garden is full of grass, okay, and then garden is full of grass. If you tied this cow, if you tied this cow to the pole, okay, with the help of a rope or a wire or whatever, okay, when we have to find the area, when we have to find the perimeter means, if if in the question if they asked how in how much of distance the cow can run, how much of distance the cow can run, then how much of distance the cow can run in the garden, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪೋಲ್ಗೆ ಓಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇಸ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ನೋ, ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದೇನಂತಾರೆ? ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಿಲ್. Okay, good. The fixed distance that the cow is running around the pole in that garden is fixed distance alla idu. Fixed distance is nothing but radius. Fixed distance is nothing but radius. And okay, this is circumference of a circumference, that means perimeter. Correct? This is perimeter. How much of distance the cow can run? Is perimeter, and the pole is center of a center, and this one is fixed distance is radius of a circle. Okay, now what is the area? What is area means this garden is full of grass. In how much? In this garden only the cow can eat the grass in this region only. Correct, children? The cow can eat grass in this region only. That means ಆ ಕೌಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಗ್ರಾಸ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ನ just it can eat. That is known as area. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ರನ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರನ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಗ್ರಾಸ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, in which region it is going to be eat the grass, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಅಂತ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ನೊಂದೆ ಅದು ಈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಏರಿಯಾಲಿರೋ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ನೊಂದೆ ಅದು ಈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಿಲ್? ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. Pi is known as 22/7. Correct? Pi r square, and fixed distance, whatever the length of the rope or wire, we have to take it as r. And what is the formula to find the perimeter of a circle? Pi r square. Correct, children? Sorry. 2 pi r. Area again pi r square, and the circumference is 2 pi r. 2 is constant. Pi is, what is pi? Pi is also constant. The value of that constant is 22/7 or 3.14, and r is according to the situation. I think you have yesterday also we did some problems. Now you get some idea when you have to find the perimeter and when you have to find the area. Yesterday we did 5 problems in one exercise 11.1. Correct, children? In exercise 11.1 we did some problem. Now just I am continuing with that exercise. What is the question there? A wire is in the shape of rectangle. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeters and breadth is 22 centimeter. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeters and breadth is 22 centimeters. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? What will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. Also find which shape encloses more area. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. One wire aithe. Okay, one wire is there. One wire is there that is in the shape of a rectangle. One wire is bent in the shape of a rectangle. One wire aithe aduna how it is bent, it means in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeters. In rough you have to write this one, 40 centimeters. Breadth is 22 centimeters. Breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire, ide wire tagondu, same wire is bent in the shape of a square. Bent in the shape of a square. The same wire they have taken and it is bented in the shape of a square with the length of the side in the shape of a square. What will be the measure of length of the side? Also find which shape encloses more area. Also find which shape encloses more area. Here what they have given? They have given what they have given? They have given one wire is there. It is bented in the shape of a rectangle with the length 40 centimeters and breadth 22 centimeters, and the same wire they are used to bend the square. That is, they are not giving any information about the square. Only they are asking us to find. Yes, okay children, I am just telling you people, same wire they are using here to do the rectangle also. Only that wire they are using, and the same wire what they have used in these only they are using to form square. Andre illi enadre wire they have used, that wire only they are using to form square. That means the perimeter of these two square and rectangle are equal. If you find the perimeter of the rectangle, that will be the equal to perimeter of square. Now rectangle perimeter nonde now if find madidre, you can get the perimeter of this square also. If you get the perimeter of the square, then you can get the side length of the side. If you equate the perimeter of the square with the formula, then you can get the length of the each side. If you get this length of each side, then we can get the area of these. This you can find. These one and these one you can find. And then we have to compare the areas of rectangle and square, and then you have to compare the areas of rectangle and square. What the question is there? A wire is bent, one wire is there, it is bent in the shape of a rectangle. It is bent in the shape of a rectangle with length 40 centimeters and breadth 22 centimeters. The same wire they are used to form a square. The same wire they are used to form a square with side square. They are not giving any information about the square, only they are telling the perimeters of the rectangle. Indirectly they are telling these wire is used to form the square alla ee wire ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ same perimeter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ indirectly they are telling. The perimeter of square is equals to perimeter of rectangle. Then we can find the length of a side of a square easily. If you find this one length of the side means this one area also we can find, this one area also we can find. Then we have to compare the both the areas of square and rectangle, and we have to write by using that wire. Rectangle ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಬೈ find the shape. Rectangle encloses more or square encloses more? Rectangle ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂತದ or square will get the more longer place? Okay, write down children. Exercise 11.1 given, what they have given? The wire is in the shape of rectangle, bent in the shape of rectangle, and length of it is rebent in the shape of a square, and it is rebent in the shape of a square. Square ತರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? The perimeter of rectangle is equals to perimeter of square. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle equals to perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Okay, since it is given that length of rectangle, wire rectangle ತರ ಬೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 40 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 40 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. breadth of rectangle is B equals to 22 centimeters. B equals to 22 centimeters. And perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle? Good children, 2 into L plus V. What is 2 into L plus V? L value is 40 and V value is 22. 2 into 40 plus 22, 62. That is equals to 1 to 4. 1 to 162. That is equals to 2 to the 4. 2 into 6, 124 square. Sorry, centimeters or meters? Centimeters. Centimeters. Okay. Okay, children. And also, since it is given that this is the first question, equation, just put that one as first equation. Since it is given that from equation 1, perimeter of square is equals to perimeter of rectangle, correct? Therefore, perimeter of square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Perimeter of square is equals to 124 centimeters. What is the formula to find the perimeter of square? Good children, 4 into side, 4 into square, that is equals to 124 centimeters. Side length of the ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Side length of the side of a square, 4, that is equals to 31 centimeters. 31 centimeters. Therefore, I think you did this. Therefore, length of each side of a square S equals to ಏನಾಯಿತು 31 centimeters. S equals to 31 centimeters. Okay children, here wire is bent in the shape of rectangle and square. We know the rectangle length and breadth and square side, length of the side of a square, each side of a square. Then we can find the area of the rectangle also we can find now, area of the square also we find. Just I am finding now area of the rectangle. Therefore, area of rectangle. What is the formula to find area of rectangle? A equals to L into B. L ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 40 centimeters into 22 centimeters. 40 into 22 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 4s are 8 80 centimeter square. You can write that one as 8 square centimeters also you can write. Okay, and then area of this you have to consider it as equation 2. Equation 2 ತರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Area of square. What is the formula to find the area of the square? Side into side. What is the length of the side? 31 in centimeter into 31 meter. 31 centimeter. Just do the calculation of 31 into 31. 1 into 31. 31 into 3 3s are 3. 3 into 3 9. 161. 961 centimeter square. 961 centimeter square. This one you have to take it as equation 3. Observe the question children, what they have asked us. In which case when the wire is bent in the form of rectangle or in the form of square, the area it encloses more. ಆ ವಯರು ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಥರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ when it is bent in the form of square it will take the more place we have to tell. Correct children? Okay, just compare equation 2 and equation 3. If you compare equation 2 and 3 then we will get the answer. Compare equation 2 and equation 3. If you compare equation 2 and equation 3, what are the answers? A equals to 880 centimeter square, 961 centimeter square. Which one is greater? 961 is greater. This expected is area of that implies area of rectangle is less than area of square. Area of square. Correct children? Area of rectangle is less than area of square. Therefore at final conclusion what we have to find? Which shape encloses more area? A wire shaped square. A wire when it is shaped as square, it will occupy more area. It will occupy the more area. ಇದು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ, when the wire is bent in the shape of square, it will occupy the more area. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ perimeter ಸೇಮೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. Same wire only we are taking to bent it in the form of rectangle and square ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. If we compare, ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the area of wire shaped square is getting bigger area. Correct? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay children, just move on to the next question. Before going to do the problems, just you have to familiar with, just you have to read and read, just you have to practice the formulas. For at least just you have to make one chart, just you have to make one chart for each exercise. You have to make one chart, and then you have to recall every problems, every formulas in every chapter. Just I am doing now perimeter and area, that's why, no, so you have to do one chart for in introduction classes. I give some formulas now that you have to make it as chart, and you have to read daily. Just you have to stick it in anywhere in your house, and then you have to read them again and again. You can get it in your mind easily then. Okay. You know all the calculations, you know all the questions, you are understanding all the questions meaning, where you have to find perimeter ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಐತೆ, ಏರಿಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಐತೆ. If you don't know what is the formula to find each polygon, sorry, each polygon only, each polygon of different shape, you can't do anything. Correct? That's why just be thorough with all problems and formulas. You are in a home only, correct? You are in home only. How much of time you are getting? Correct? The perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeters. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeters if the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeters. Find its length. Also find the area of a rectangle. 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 Just see the question, read the question carefully, children. The perimeter of a rectangle is, which shape they are taking here? Perimeter of rectangle. Rectangle they are taking here. What they are giving information about? Perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is, rectangle ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? breadth ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. is 30 centimeters. Find its length. You can find. Yes, you can find. Also find the area of the rectangle. Nothing they are giving. They are giving perimeter and breadth of a rectangle. We have to find L. That means length of a rectangle you have to find. If you know length and breadth of a rectangle, you can find the area of a rectangle obviously. That only you have to do in this question. Given perimeter, first length of a rectangle. What is length of a rectangle? L equals to question mark. They didn't give any information about length. That's why I am putting one there. Breadth of a rectangle. And then they are giving the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. P equals to 130 centimeters. But we know that. Now again, what is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. That implies 2 into L plus B equals to 130. According to us, the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus D. If you know any values of the variables there L and B, you have to substitute that one. And here 2 into L plus B, we don't know the value of L, correct? We don't know the value of L, just like that only you have to write. And then B value namge gottu. What is the value of B? 30. You have to substitute the value of 30 there, then we will get and continue the process, then we will get the value of L. 2 into L plus 30 centimeters equals to 130 centimeters. Here it is in multiplication. If you take it to RHS means L plus 30 centimeters equals to 130 centimeters divided by 2 ones are 65 centimeters. That implies L equals to 65 centimeters. This is in addition here. If it come on LHS is 30 centimeters. 65 minus 30 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 35 centimeters. Okay, good children. Now here what we find? Here we know the length of the rectangle also we know here, and the breadth of the rectangle also we know here. We find it here. What we have to do? We have to find the area of the area of the rectangle. Therefore, area of the rectangle also they are asking us to find. Correct? Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle A equals to L into B. L andre enu? Length, and then B andre breadth. L andre enu? 35 centimeters into 30 centimeters. Okay. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 0 centimeter square. Correct? What is the area of the rectangle? 1050 square centimeter. At last you have to write therefore breadth of rectangle is equals to length 35 centimeters, and then area of given rectangle with L equals to 35 and B equals to 30 centimeter is equals to 1050 square centimeter. I think you understood, children. I think you are understanding them. Okay, good children. Next question. Just move on to the next question. Okay, children. See the question. 8th question. A door of length 2 meters and breadth 1 meters is fitted in a wall. A door of length 2 meters and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 centimeters and breadth is 3.6 centimeters. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. If the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per square meter. ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Just they are giving a door of length 2 meters and breadth is 1 meter is fitted in a wall of length and breadth. They are giving, and then we have to find how much amount of money is required to whitewash that wall. Okay, ಒಂದು wall ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Correct, one wall is there. The wall length and breadth they are giving as L equals to 4.5 meters and breadth equals to 3.6 meters. Okay, ಒಂದು wall ಐತೆ with L equals to 4.5 meters and breadth is 3.6 centimeters, not meter only, and a door is fitted in that wall. ಒಂದು door is fitted in that wall with length 2 meters, with length equals to 2 meters and breadth equals to 1 meter. ಇದು ಈ ವಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈಟ್ ವಾಶ್ they want to do the whitewash for this whole wall. Okay, if you want to do the whitewash for this wall means only this much part is we have to take we have to go it for the whitewash. Correct, whitewash ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದೇ ತಾನೆ ಡೋರ್ಗೆ whitewash ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವ. Just we are not going to take the whitewash for the door because it is a different color. Correct, for wall only we have to take the whitewash. Correct, we can find the area of this total wall. Correct, and then we can find the area of this door if you know the values of L and B here. Correct, if you take the difference between area of wall and area of the door, then we will get these part. Correct, this shaded part we will get. Okay, children, just write down the question and then take down the answer. Given length of the wall, length of the rectangular shaped wall you can write, otherwise length of the wall also you can write. What is length of the wall? L equals to L1 I am taking here. L1 equals to 2 lengths are there, that's why to just avoid the confusion I am taking L1 equals to 4.5 centimeter. Meter. And then breadth of the wall. Breadth of the wall B equals to 3.6 meters. Correct. What you have to find here? Perimeter or area? Just I want the region where the whitewash is going out. That's why I am finding here area. Therefore, area of the wall A equals to length into breadth. A equals to length into breadth. Length ಏನಾಯಿತು 4.5 into 3.6. 4.5 into 3.6. If you do the calculation, then you will get 16.2 meter square. 16.2 meter square. Okay, then length of the door L2. This one is A1. Yes, I am taking this one as first equation. Length of the door L2 equals to 2 meters. Breadth of the door B2 equals to 1 meter. Therefore, area of the door, we can find area of the door A2 equals to L2 into B2. What is L2? 2 meters into 1 meter, that is equals to 2 answer. 2 meter square. 2 meter square. If you compare andre ishtaga chikkade baradu door. Okay, chikkade baradu. Okay, then next we find the area of the wall and also we find the area of the door. Area of the wall find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ and then area of the door also we find out. Now we have to take the difference between area of the wall and area of the door to get the wall. Wall ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ, ಈ wall ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು white wash ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕು. White wash for which reason we have how much of surface we have to take the white wash ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ just we have to take the difference between area of the wall and area of the rectangular door. Area of the rectangular door. So area of the wall to be white washed is A equals to, capital I am taking here, A equals to A1 minus A2. A equals to est area you have to take the white wash andre 16.2 minus 2 meter square, that is equals to 14.2 m square. Since it is given that to do the white wash for 1 meter square, to do the white wash for 1 meter square, how much of amount they are asking? 20 rupees. Since the rate of white washing the wall for 1 meter square equals to 20 rupees. 20 rupees only. 1 square meter na white wash madake they are asking to pay 20 rupees. Okay, 20 rupees. How much area we wanted to take the white wash now? 14.2 square meters. 14.2 square meters. Therefore, correct. Therefore, the cost of the area to be whitewashed in the wall is equals to 20 into 14.2 m square. No need, just write that one. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. 1 point is there. Just I am taking here 1 point. Correct children? And then rupees 284. Rupees 284. The cost of whitewashing the wall in behalf of door is rupees 284. Rupees 284. Here what we did in the question, just what they have given in the question. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Length and breadth of wall and door. They are giving separately. We have written the length of the wall and the length of the door, breadth of the wall and breadth of the door. We did the areas of wall and door separately. We did the areas of the wall and door separately to find the whitewashed area in that wall and then area of the wall to be whitewashed ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ by taking the difference in between area of the wall and area of the door. And then since the rate of the whitewashing the wall is ವಾಲ್ಗೆ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೈಟ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ₹20 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿ since from the question itself only we are knowing. And then the cost of the area to be whitewashed ಅಂದರೆ 20 into 14.2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಐತೆ 14.2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ just I am multiplying 20 with 14.2, then I am getting the answer as 284, that is rupees 284 is required. Therefore at last you have to write, therefore 284 rupees is required to whitewash the given wall with door. Given wall with door. Given wall with door. Correct, children? Given wall with door. Okay, children, by seeing the question only, just you can get the answer. Okay, children, thank you.